boys? What's good, man? We got the Thanksgiving truck shootout going on, man. We got like 7 or 8 pairs. We got the first one going down right now. It's gonna be a pretty good night of racing, man. So y'all stay tuned. Let's get it, y'all. Yes, sir. Start this thing off right, man. Yes, sir. Got some bubble on cat eye action going on. Look like this one all-wheel drive. That one over there is turbo. What y'all got, man? God damn. That's tough. He out. That's his own. That ain't no good way to start it off. I think that's kind of the jump, man. He might be out of there. Yeah, he out of there. Well, looked like he would have lost anyway. On to the next. So race number 2, we got the OVS Chevy versus the F-150. I'm gonna go left lane, I'm gonna go Chevy on this one. Alright, here we go. Left lane. Yes, sir. Got the cat off on the S10 over there. I'm gonna go right lane for this one. That thing thumping too. That's a real nice color on that thing. That thing is. Probably the cleanest S10 I ever seen. That thing nice. Left lane came around that boy. Dang, I thought right lane had that boy so. Alright, this gonna be a good one, man. These both some real fast trucks. They make some real fast clicks at this track. Home Depot on Dakota. What you got, bit dog? You got left lane? Alright. We'll go right on this one, man. We'll go Dakota. Took too long to get in. That's tough. Yep. Alright, so on to the next one. C10 Chevy versus the, what's that over there? Cat off? Yeah, man, Dakota took too long to bump in, so automatic DQ on that last race. Hopefully we can get a clean one this time. See how I go down though, man. Going right lane though for sure. Damn. That boy drive shaft blue. What the hell going on tonight, bro? Left lane with the jump, right lane with the brake. That's tough. Toe coming down to save the day, man. A Ford coming to save a Chevy. Hate to see it. That's a square business ass truck though. I ain't even gonna lie. Motherfucker coming down. Oh no. That hurts to see. Hard. Hell nah. Bro, that hoe, they not finna get that hoe up there, bro. As soon as they get in one of them little grooves, it's over. Oh, hold on. Them boy talking about something. Them boy talking. Alright, you know what I'm saying? I was down them, you know what I'm saying? But I was wrong. Big strong Texas, you know what I'm saying? If we was in another state, you know, like fucking what's that shit? Utah, Wyoming, whatever the fuck, you know what I'm saying? What's another state? A weak ass state, bro. Fucking, you know what I'm saying? Cali. You couldn't do that shit in Cali, man. You're only in Texas, man. Big Chevy truck. Put that motherfucker on a tractor. Hopefully y'all can see that, man. I dang near missed that race. Right lane. All right, we got this bar run that's in round one. Real burnout. All right. It shook so hard his paper plates came off that thing. Alright, back at it, man. Round two. We got the Chevy on the Ford, man. What y'all got? Mobilized Chevy, big turbo. All-wheel drive F-150 over there. That thing over there looking good. We'll go right lane on this one. That's a midnight performance truck, though. I wouldn't be surprised if he gets the dog. Hey, man, left lane. Got that mean turn around, saw a straight snap-on jacket, man. Did not know bro had behind me. Alright, so we got a bottle run coming up. After that, we on to the next round. This thing been real inconsistent. What y'all think gonna win this thing, man? Chevy on full action, blood on crib action going on, you know what I'm saying? Not just on turbo action going on. What y'all got, man? I want to say Chevy, man. I want to go left lane. Yeah, I'm gonna go left on this one. Look like this is gonna be a good race though. Let's see how it goes. There we go, y'all. Oh, right lane. Hey, that was a race. Race of the night. That was a good race. Hell yeah. Of the truck class, finally, man. It was a wreck. Been sitting here for a minute, man. This 133. Just now getting to it, man. We got the Chevy on the floor, man. Who y'all got? I'm gonna go Chevy for the dub, man. This thing been making some licks, though. Who y'all got, man? Hopefully this is a good one. Good A to B race. They both make clean passes. Let's see. Woo! Left lane. That thing was on a pass, boy. Yes, sir. Left lane for the dub, man. That was a pretty cool event. Hell yeah, man. If you enjoyed, hit that like button, man. If you mess when you subscribe, man. I'm going to catch y'all on the next one, man. Thank you for watching. Peace.